guys, welcome back to Bush Bros Outdoors. In today's video we're going to be spending the night under the stars in this beautiful wilderness. It's a great day out, it's about 40 degrees, and we're going to make some elevated beds in just a simple fire and spend the night out here.
The first thing we're going to do is separate, and Hugh is going to get firewood for tonight, and Austin and I are going to start building our beds.
As I was looking for firewood, I found this massive dead standing tree here, and it looks like I'm gonna have to cut it down.
All right, it's gotta go.
So with this big of a tree, we're gonna be pretty much set on firewood for tonight. I'm gonna use the top portion of it for my bed because it's just so long and straight, and then the thicker stuff at the end is gonna be turned into firewood. After spending about, I don't know, probably 20 minutes pruning that log, cutting it down, it broke on me. So I'm gonna go find another log while the other two set up their beds. It's kind of a disappointment because the sun's setting and I'd like to have a bed to sleep in. Come on, come on, come on. At this point we had screwed up. The fire was obviously too big for just one measly piece of paracord, and our pot fell into the fire, so we had to start the boiling process all over again. This time, instead of paracord, we used a green piece of wood, hoping that it would withstand the heat a little better. Oh, those look like they're done. Gonna blow on it a few times so I don't burn myself like we normally do. Oh, they're done.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Hot as heck.
Our plan to sleep under the stars didn't exactly work out. Just as we were about to fall asleep, it started to rain. Immediately, we scrambled to set up a tarp in order to keep all of our stuff dry. We were lucky. If we had fallen asleep, we could have easily woken up soaking wet.
Sugar. Nice. So good.
After finishing up breakfast, it was time to head out. We quickly packed up camp, put out the fire, and made our way back to the car. Well, once we got done with about an hour-long hike, we thought we were home free, but Mother Nature got us again.
This seems to be a reoccurring problem. Yeah, we're stuck.
We're stuck. All right, so what we've done here is we made tracks along the entire length of the car, and this is just hopefully so we can build enough speed and then get the rest of the way out. As you can see, we still have quite a ways to go. If this doesn't work, we're kind of going to be shoveling for a while. We also only have one little blue shovel, which is really not efficient. Yeah, we should have had more than that. Hopefully, though, this will get us out.
Go, 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 go! I tried to put it in 4. 3, 2, 1. Go! Come on! Oh.
All right, so our plan as of right now is to reverse it all the way back to where we started, get up some more speed, and do the exact same thing we did. Hopefully that'll get us unstuck, but we're having a little bit of trouble even just going back and reversing it. So our plan is to take sticks like these, put them underneath the tire, and hopefully that'll give us enough traction to get out.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No, don't crank it, don't crank it, don't crank it anymore. Let's just go straight. I say you don't have to, so. Curve.
See, he should have turned earlier.
But see here, think so.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Come on, get out! Get out of there! Get out! Well, we tried again to get out. By digging more ruts, we made it about 10 feet. I'd say we got one more push and then we should be on the road, but it's been already an hour and a half digging this stuff out. We've only made it 30 feet probably.
Fine.
3, 2, 1. Okay, grab that.
Okay, now stop. Don't dig us deeper. We're gassing it. Moment of truth.
3, 2, 1.
go! Well, with that, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you stick through to the end, thank you for watching the whole thing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.